welcome to Chris Vlog, and today's vlog, it's exciting night guys, because we are going to Tangob to watch the Christmas tree and Christmas lights. So they have a lot of booth. So I saw that on the Facebook page, and Crucial invited us to go there with the family, and I'm so excited guys. And also it's a compilation video. Also, we're going to go the other parts of which is around Tubud, that it have also some Christmas lights, and also for rides. And I know kids will be so excited to get on the ride. Oh, we'll check it out guys, and I'm so excited. So let's go. Yay! Yes. Tangob City, Tangob. Michi. Whee! Yeah, they're done taking pictures. I think kids. Uy, Samantha. Sam. Ano?
Ana. Ha? Wala ko na problem. Saan naman yung bataan ni? Nahiwi mo ni.
Hiwi. Mo din ang naglilak sa sakitan guro.
Tanhada mo.
Okay, you have our wings. Okay. Fly. Ano, fly. Go, fly. Oh, yay! Oh, sige. Okay, next. Rian. Ikaw na po, Rian. Sige, ikaw na po na ipako. Asa lang po, may... Sam. Oh. Hi. Popcorn. Dali Sam, picturean ka mo Sam. Sam. Dari. Lovers do. Ana man ta? Arata. Uli na ta? Wala, murag na isda to. Mayag kay dato yun tayo. Gadbuka na yun siya. Oh, Michi. You're sleepy na? No. Oh, fountain. This is the bridge. Bridge. Papa Jesus. Flower. Yay! Nice, oh. The big Christmas tree. Ha? Sige, gandagan na. Oy! Basa man. Woo! There, oh. Inay! Hide and seek. Sam, diara ka, Sam. Sam. Diya ka. Fountain booth. Tubang. Sulod mo ka diya. Pa-picture ka? Samali! Uy, napay tao, uy. Napa-picture pa sila. Kita next. Tubod-tubod. Kalasa. Michiros. Yuhaw na man. 5 na. Different rides, guys. Whoa. Samantha is excited, but I don't have budget for rides. But I think Rochelle is there inside. Patay na. Uy. Wala kasi tayo lagi. Sila. Wating. Wow, nice rides, guys. Nanakay na mo? Ako mo nanakay, Dana? Ha? Kasi ko yung inyo. Okay lang, Ferris wheel yun. Eh, sarado man. Hindi ka na Ferris wheel. Ang ganahan magkaanik, kay iya. Easy.
Easy ra kasi
Ha? Gusto ni Samantha pusil-pusil. Mataya di, tarungon mong shot. Tarong ba? Pila? Ha? Sam, excited. Yan na, wait lang. Tanaw, i-check pa ng bala. Okay. Tarong nga, Sam. Go. Okay. Ay, wala. Ikak pa, ikak. Di ba?
dapat mo click.
Okay.
Pero radyo, dapat mo click.
Okay, Sam.
Dapat mo click na, matingog ka sa ay. Kadaon yan, bilis.
Ikaw tayo ba? Wow! Kadua na! Wow! Oh, okay. Bet. Saiti Sam, saiti. Taruwag sait. Oh, ay wala. Oh. Ay, sayang. Ay, ayaw din na sa walay kwansa manang naidagang bula. Na. Good. Good. Double kill. Wala na. Ay, sayang. Dito sa Dagag Bula, Sam. Diri ba? Diri tato ka. Oh. Oh, Sophia. Yay! Yeah! Unya na. Wow! Ay, Michi!
Wala ko may Michi ko pagkarahon ko.
So hey guys, we are here now at Tubod and it's Pasko ng Tubod. So it have a lots rides guys. Oh, but it's so scary. Yeah, it's right very swell guys. Oh, scary, scary, scary. Wait. Kaya sumikip na. Emergency. Yan. Yay! Sakay ta. Yan. So it's 75 pesos guys, child and adult. Woo! Oh my god. Hoy! Octopus, guys. Octopus. Airplane, airplane, airplane. So we're riding now airplane. Rocket? Rocket. So hi guys, Maripel is not with us because she's on vacation on father's side. Yeah. Too sad Maripel is not here. I'm sure she will enjoy. Oh my gosh! But I know Maripel is enjoying vacation now with father's side for almost 11 years. It's first time first time she will meet her father's side for almost 11 years.
Nagpapabaw.
Oh, no. Sophia and Michelle is there. There. Oh, Sophia and Michelle is there.
Scary.
Not too scary. Oh, we're done. We're done. We're done. So, Rian with her friend. That's Rian with her friend. Mom and dad is outside.